Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making this delicious caldo de camaron, also known as shrimp soup. If you want to see how I made this, please keep watching. For this recipe, you will be needing potatoes, chayote, carrots, calabacitas, onions, cilantro, some corn, some chipotle peppers, catfish, shrimp, and then I didn't list it, but you're going to be needing a tomato, some chile cascavel, and chile ancho. You're going to go ahead and wash your vegetables, and then you're going to go ahead and peel them and dice them, just as shown here. I will be leaving the ingredients down in the description if you guys want to go ahead and check that out. Peeling the vegetables is completely optional, it just depends how you guys enjoy having your soups. So you could either leave the skin on them or you can go ahead and peel it. Either way, it just needs to be diced. When dicing your vegetables, it really depends on how big you like them. So this is to taste however you enjoy them. Once you dice all your vegetables, you're going to go ahead and fill a pot with water or halfway. And then I'm going to add cilantro to the pot of hot water, add some salt to it. I'll add the vegetables that take the longest to cook, which are the carrots, the chayote, and the potatoes. I almost forgot to add the celery, so I'm just going to go ahead and dice up some celery and add that to your pot too. In a pan, you're going to add a little bit of oil, your chile cascavel, some chile de arbol, and tomato and garlic. You're going to go ahead and fry them a bit. Make sure the tomato cooks. To the blender, you're gonna add a can of Chipotle sauce, the half an onion, garlic, nor suiza or chicken bouillon, and your chiles that you just fried. Don't forget to add salt to taste and some cilantro. Blend it and go ahead and add that to your pot. You're gonna mix, bring it to a boil. Once you bring it to a boil, you're gonna add your calabacitas, which is your squash, calabacitas, and then you're gonna add your shrimp and your fish, and bring that to a boil once again. Make sure your fish and your shrimp is washed and go ahead and pour that into your pot. You're going to let it boil for another 15-20 minutes. Just check it, make sure it is fully cooked. Don't forget to add your corn. I decided to add a little Old Bay seasoning just to give it that fish. You're going to go ahead and mix it if you see that it's ready and fully cooked. Your shrimp is nice and pink and the fish is starting to dissolve. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. And I hope you guys enjoyed this caldo de camaron shrimp soup. Squeeze a little bit of lime on it and it's ready to eat. Enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Till next time.